Happy weekend, grocery time everyone. I'm sure everyone's going to the grocery store. Daming ice. Sa Texas, Mandel, Texas grocery HEB store. This is place to get stuff na. Kumusta na ang tanan mga kababayan ko?
We're about to leave now. Thank you for watching. Pharmacy there.
Pilipina at the grocery store. Take a look at this.
I spent $90.
Mauna ni ang akong napalit sa grocery.
$90.
Daghang salamat. Grocery store na mauna ang pharmacy.
Feminine hygiene, women.
No, I'm just voicing over.
Vitamins.
Voice over.
Lots of vitamins
Uli na po.
here.
Bye-bye na
And
lang.
diet
Thank you
replacement.
so much, everyone, for watching.
Allergy or
For
cold,
medicine,
Texas cold and allergy relief.
Medicine for allergy.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, let's go. Bye
Going
bye.
out na sa gikan sa groceries.
Bye bye everyone.
Mauna ni.
Look at this
Padulong lang sa
here.
parking lot. Daghan ka
Flowers
kayo
here.
mga
$1.
bulaklak.
Wow.
Daghan kaayo siya.
Cactus, $1.
Oh, there's a cactus. $1 lang.
Look at
Flowers.
this.
That's nice flowers.
$16. So
Oh, that's nice flowers. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw.
Okay.
God bless everyone. Ayo-ayo mo tanan.
Thank you everyone for
Mga
watching.
kahigalaan.
Please enjoy.
Thank you
and
for
God bless
watching.
everyone. Parking lot there.
Grocery.
Go.
From the
Big truck
grocery
and big
store.
guy over there. Okay, let's go now.
Ingaw na po
Barbecue
kaayo.
pets.
Daghang salamat. Daghang
Oh,
salamat.
smells.
Wow. Shout out to all my subscribers.
Oh, whoa,
My
whoa, whoa.
new subscriber, non-subscriber.
Okay,
God bless
where we
everyone.
over there.
Thank you, world.
Have a
See you
blessed
in the
day,
next video.
everyone.